Tell him you got a nigga set cheese with the back cheese. For the left cheese. But now the life of my rest, my life is stress. For the cemetery. Legendary. Crazy y'all, baby y'all suffering in the game, and I swear it's like a trap. And I ain't giving up in the hood, so good, so I'm coming back. Calling show me love, nigga move, Mr. Scared the but they don't stop on my block. Hard times on my block. Every time we saw you, hey, without a block is separate.
On a cocoa
What a black is said. We said the phrase at the top shot. When the two drops, living well, wasn't living well. Said wasn't living well.
yeah,
Drug life.
class. I'm in
The drug life. I'm getting a job. Said the farm of my hungry son. Look up. G's and my babies. Nothing is straight. Been praying for a better way. Been the hope in the hopeless. Feeling the top. She met me represent. Spread the star everywhere I went. I've got the phone on. I close my eyes and picture home on my block. Hard times on my block. What other black will separate? What other black will separate? Wonder why so many young geese gotta die. Caught Prince KKs in the fly by. From the top and from the side.
Why?
Danger. For strangers. Fuck life. I'm on welfare check. Fair shake. Motherfucker free. Winter is a man's war. Think hopeless. On my block, faded life is like a dream. All times it's all your stream. Every block is stand on it. Without a block, we separate. Without a block, we projects is on the weight light. From the weight light. Step in the thing. Police. You understand this? Spend the friend life. Friends and the red life. Still the game. It's that way. No, me. To the game on my block. See this life is like a dream. Hard times is all your field. Every block is down on it. Without a block will separate. 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 You put out with
If If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Kedu ndị bụ Nigerian Jews? Ọ bụ ndị be anyị ndị Igbo.